Hey guys, this is Josh with Load Bearing Wall Pros. We're here in Midlothian, Texas. Let's go inside and take a look what we got going on. So here at the entryway, we're going to be taking out this staircase because they're going to reroute that staircase to a whole nother area of the house. Then we're going to take out this archway and this wing wall as well to take out this column. We're going to be taking out these columns between the kitchen and the family room, and this will be a 30-foot beam. And we'll also be taking out all the countertops, all the cabinets and all that. We're going to be taking this window header and these columns. We're going to be taking that header up 2 feet to get rid of those columns in between the windows. And then we're going to be doing the same thing up there for those windows. I think that's it. We got a lot of work today. Let's get to it. Stay tuned. We completed this project today, started yesterday. Let's go inside and take a look. First thing we did was we take out this wing wall here. Also took out this column and another wing wall over there to open up their space over here. And then also there was a staircase that went from here and all the way up to this catwalk that was across here, but we took that catwalk out as well. And eventually that whole triangle wall is going to come out also. You can see that we supported all the load from what was on that catwalk with that 20-foot beam right across the attic. We've also got a 25-foot beam sitting on this back wall and running all the way across to this other wall over here. And that beam is supporting everything in this ceiling, and then it's also supporting this corner here where we don't have a column. Client here wanted real open concept. So we run this 1/4-inch steel strap all the way up to that 25-foot beam up in the attic to support this corner. Over here we installed this beam with these 2 steel columns. It's about a 15-foot beam, and it's got a little bit of overhang, but with the steel columns anchored into the concrete, there's no danger there. And this beam is going to be catching these 2 30-foot beams that we use to take out three columns right here. Upstairs, we took out a few archways and a couple columns. You can see that wood beam right there for us to transfer the load to. And then over here, we grew these window openings a little bit taller. Client wants more light in their home. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.